This 2021 Toyota Hilux was actually stolen and recovered. So as you can see, the thieves took it, tried to strip the vehicle, took everything out of it, trying to find the insurance approved tracker. Lucky they never found that. The vehicle's been recovered, and now the customer's called us to put an immobiliser on the vehicle so they can't take it in the first place. With this Hilux all back together, we fitted our immobiliser mini alarm system on this Hilux. If they come back, try to steal it again, they smash the window, climb through, went to start the truck, just doesn't start. So we've got a foot on the brake, press the start button. If we keep trying, we get a little click, but nothing at all. The engine's not actually going to crank. Gives us 10 seconds to confirm it's us. If not, it sets off the horn and the hazards with our mini alarm system, and you disarm it using the tag. So to drive this, you get in the vehicle, you press the button and start. Really simple and easy to use. If you forget and go to start it and you make the mistake, you've got 10 seconds or so to press the button, confirm it's you, and you're not going to wake up your neighbours. Start it and you're good to go. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a tag-based mini alarm immobiliser system installed in a 2021 Toyota Hilux, where they're common for theft. As you saw, this one had been stripped. They've smashed the rear window. They've actually stolen this, and then they luckily recovered it because it had just a tracker on. Now they're not taking it. It's going to make a load of noise if they try again, and the vehicle's protected and simple to use. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.